Welcome to the stream, everybody. Hello. How are you guys doing after the weekend? Is everything looks perfect? Yes, it does. Hello. I hope you can hear me as well. If you guys can hear me. Children of the sky. Monday it is. Look what Monday has done. We have dumped. Let's just remove this everything first. Yes, that's what we're gonna talk about in a second, guys. In a second. Just give me one sec. So yes, what we did after open. So this was the open. We dumped through. I think I was talking to premium member yesterday in an educational session where I talked about 50% of this gap. Look market, what market has done. Ran through that 50% of the mark, and now we are going back up again. Took out this high. Now we're gonna come back into the range, and I think we're gonna cross 815. That's what my analysis says. I don't know if we're gonna do it or not, but for now that is what my analysis says. So yeah, that we run into the premium of this range, daily range, right? Body to body premium is just about 799. That's where we want it, and I'm currently in the long. See what I can get from somewhere around 8 730 729, but that's a swing position, so let's just not talk. I mean, it can go way down. I can hold it through, but I'm gonna close before tonight, so yeah. Okay, about the X giveaway, lots of people answered it on X. Okay, but nobody guessed it right, so we're gonna do giveaway here just for fun. One giveaway today. I think we're gonna try 2-3 giveaways this week. Same Lucid 50k accounts. Let me see how many of you have purchased through the code. If we continue getting people purchasing through our code, we can give away even more and more accounts, right? I want everybody can participate in it. Even mods can do it. Doesn't matter. Anybody can win it. Nobody guessed it right, so ऐसे तो giveaway बनता नहीं है, but I'm just giving it for you guys especially because you have shown the support to me. So yeah, January 12th. Yes, 2-3 people have purchased it. Still I'm gonna be in loss, but it's fine. We're gonna do a giveaway anyways. So yes, be there anytime in this stream. Hello everybody. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back. So again, I'm just gonna tell you my plan is to go into the premium of this whole range, right? Go above 799813, going into this FPG. Oh, that's my plan. However it goes there, I don't know, it can dump anywhere, but yeah, for now that's what the plan's gonna be. Hello Assis, welcome to the stream. Hello others, hello no everybody, hello everybody. Monday, did you guys took any trade, take any yet? Anybody in trade or have taken any trades in this short? I took one shot today morning. I booked somewhere around $2,500 on my live account, 25% on my live account in one single trade. So that was crazy. I held it for more than 5 hours, that trade. Waiting for NYM session, that's probably good idea on the Monday. Probably better idea to wait. I took a shot and I'm currently into the longs, by the way, for everybody. I mean, this is what my position looks like. Waiting for market to go into that. Okay, I'm not just gonna keep it on the chart, but yeah. Why we are bouncing off before taking out this low? Just because 50% of these big weeks was always gonna work as a gaps on the NQ. Remember that. That's a secret sauce. Always. We left this low. We went back, faked people into the longs, dumped, took out that low. While it was taking out low, it tipped below 50% of that. It even went to 0.3, right? And now we are steadily inversing this FPG. We inverse this short FPG here, and then now we are slowly grinding to the upside. If we get the momentum, I think 820 is the target, 818 today. So we have to get the momentum like before the New York session opens. So New York session directly can push into this, right? And then we can start coming back down into the range. So that's what plan's gonna be. Let's see if we can get it. Yes, I did tell you one-on-one में पता है. I think I have a session on that on one-on-one. That's there are lots of things goes into the weeks वाली चीज में, but week, let me tell you, 50% of the week is always gonna be interesting. Yes, of course हमें पता नहीं लगता कि वहाँ जाएगा, क्योंकि अगर तुम देखो ओपन पे तो हम इधर हाई पे थे, तो हम थोड़ी शॉर्ट मार के बैठ जाएंगे. बट वंस यू सी अ शॉर्ट स्ट्रक्चर, let's say market inverse this FPG, 15-minute FPG, this long FPG, or even this one, you can look to where market's gonna go, right? We don't know where it's gonna go, but we can find, right, कि चलो मार्केट नीचे जा रही है तो कहाँ तक जाएगी, right? That's what the question you should be asking yourself. Let's say market is going up, so what I ask myself is like where it's gonna go, right? So I'm gonna mark premium FPGs. Let's say this is the open of today, right? I'm gonna take Fibonacci and premium FPG मुझे कौन सी दिख रही है above 50%? This one, and it is evident if you see this FPG is like standalone FPG जो अच्छी सी दिख रही है. So of course we can go tap that back to come back down, right? So that is how you look for outlook of the day. कि हमें पता नहीं होता मार्केट कहाँ जाने वाली, बट लेट्स से मार्केट गिव्स यू क्लूज, देन यू ट्राई टू फाइंड वेयर इट कैन गो. लाइक लेट्स से इफ इट्स गोइंग अप, यू कैन ट्राई टू फाइंड वेयर इट इज गोना गो टू. and try to find trades in between. We have taken out these highs on the lower time frame, so we can get little bit retracement these highs. No, I'm not going for shorts. I'm currently in the longs, but after we tap this and if we see a reaction, ऐसा नहीं कि टैप करने के बाद मैं डायरेक्ट शॉर्ट चला जाऊँ. It can continue going up, right? Inversing that FVG. It can definitely do that, but we don't know. How would we know that if it's gonna inverse some FVG here and then do this, then we know that it can come back into the range, right? We are not here to up front run the market. Imbalance is the best word to use. People say क्या जी, ये जी, वो जी, FVG. हम तो भाई हमें थोड़ी इंग्लिश कम आती है ना, तो हम यूज कर लेते हैं. Yeah, Michael is live too. I was watching him just before coming here. He was talking about these Asia highs, these smooth Asia highs जो भी निकले हैं. So yeah, I still try to learn from him whatever I can. Not about religions though. If you know, you know. Yes, gotta trade on every day, bro. उत्तरायण तो वो तो खत्म हो जाएगी ना सुबह, I mean शाम तक. I'm gonna come live for 2 hours and then back to it. Cannot miss any day. Gotta sacrifice those stuff few here and there. ES is holding strong as well. ES has just inversed that FPGs. If you look at 1 hour of both charts, we have turned into bullish structure now. Structure is bullish for now, but let's see how much we can hold. It is all about how much momentum we get. If we do not get momentum here, then I think we're gonna come back down. If we do get the momentum, I think we go into this 1 hour FPG here 96k above. So yeah, just make sure you know your levels, you know. Binding consistency and discipline. Okay, I'm trying, right? Try तो करूँ जो ये अब. Hopefully I can come live every day. Can come. Yes, it is, but for new user it will be 50%. I mean 40 or 50%. Check it out. It is gonna be the cheapest account of 50k, जिसमें funded accounts में consistency नहीं है. So yeah. Have you watched every ICT video? No, not every, but most of them. Yes. You don't need to watch everything. Just 2020, 2017, 2019, sorry, 2016, 2017 and 2022 for now. Yes, 1 jump 1 RR पे हो जाएगा. Risk $400. So that way you have 6-7 trades before you blow the account. ES is holding strong while NQ is coming back down. See what if we can close above this on this 3 minute baki hai. If we close above this strong, even inverse this FPG here, we're gonna go up. I would see if you are trading with one gem one or one gem two, one gem three, then go for EODs. If you are scalping, then trailing भी चल जाएंगे. But it's all about trailing accounts are cheaper and EOD accounts are little bit expensive. That's what it is. Just give them the contract they gave you, Jai. They're gonna clear it. That's what I did. They asked for where the money is coming from, so I gave them the contract. Contract meaning जब तुम sign करते हो तब express account का contract आता है. Just give them this, that should be able to clear. They should be able to clear you. डू यू सी हाउ दिस स्लो ग्राइंड अपसाइड चल रहा है, तो ये लिक्विडिटी निकालने के लिए वापस आ भी सकता है, ऐसा भी नहीं आएगा. बट मुझे what I want is like there is a hell lot of a trend line liquidity right here. So what I want is like market just spurs to the upside first, enter those FPG and then start to come back down, taking out everything and then do whatever the fuck it wants to do. Right, that's what my plan is. So you gotta stay 2 steps ahead of the market. No, I do not use any third party platforms. Yellow, Aniket value. Hello, 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 hello. See, I'm very much. If we take out these highs, ये वाला जो ऊपर वाला है, I think I'm very much gonna go break even. Payout दे देंगे, no, don't worry about that. If you follow all the rules. हाँ वो थोड़ी अभी बकचोदी कर रहे हैं, बट क्या ही करे भाई, अब तुम्हारे पास अकाउंट है, तुम फेंक तो नहीं दोगे. Just like what I did. Trade them, see. Payout तो दे ही देंगे, payout they cannot reject. Never. Oh, nice. We closed above that. I wanna see how we react of this high. After we go high and this high as well. Hello, hello, yes. Welcome to the stream. Oh, I need to see today's agenda gonna be for me flipped Lucid accounts. I took a loss on Friday on Lucid accounts, so अब मैं उस पर कुछ नहीं कर रहा. I'm just gonna flip the days, take the payout, and then maybe next cycle में मैं ट्राई करूँगा ज़्यादा बनाने के लिए. लाइव अकाउंट में थोड़े अच्छे खासे बने हैं, तो आई एम गोना विड्रॉ लिटल बिट ऑफ इट एंड देन कीप लिटल बिट इन इट टू कंपाउंड. See what I can do if I don't take a loss on this trade, of course, right? And trade few evals here and there. I'm gonna go very light today, nothing too fancy. It is anyways Mondays, right? So you don't wanna put everything burn out. भाई बैंक में विड्रॉ कर सके तो फॉर्म को बताता हूँ, बैंक में चाहिए दे देते हैं। What is that question? TradingView is the best for me right now. TradingView, easy to use, everything is good, and you can use TradingView through TradingView. TradingView का ब्रोकर तुम TradingView में ज्वाइन कर लो, TradingView भी ट्रेड कर सकते हो। डायरेक्ट बैंक में आता है। ऑडिया का डायरेक्ट बैंक में आता है। नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं, तुम सिर्फ बता दो कि इतना इनकम आया है, इनका नहीं आया, बस। ICT लाइव, या ICT इज लाइव। कोई ट्रेड लिया होगा उसने बढ़िया वाला लाइव आ गया, बॉटम टिक किया होगा मार्केट को। One minute is chopping around since, I don't know, 1 hour or so. It should break out to one side. Probably it's gonna be to the upside. That's what I'm hoping for. I wanna book some good profit on my live account and take some payout. I've been taking payouts every 2 days on my live account with videos, and my plan is to grow it to. My plan with the live 10K account is to grow it to my main account, like 100K, 200K by the end of the year. Withdrawals and balance both combined. Hopefully I can. I don't know, 99% is I'm gonna fail, but there are still 1% chance that I can grow it to that much, and if I can do it, that's gonna be insane. Like next year I can start with bigger accounts. कौन सी वीडियोस देखी नीरज? कौन सी वीडियोस देखी आपने जहाँ पे बताता है कि इलीगल है, फ्रीज हो जाता है? Was there futures trading or forex? If you're talking about forex, then we don't do forex here. I mean, we don't do CFDs. We do futures, which is everything legal. I've been doing these things since last 2 years. I have never issue with any firms, bank or government. Hopefully, touch wood, I don't have any in the future as well. But yeah, nothing is dangerous on future side. Everything is legal. I want market to take out this high with the good close above that high of 15 minute. देखते हैं bottom wick तो बन चुकी है. Now do we respect this bottom wick and start going up? Top step pays you out in your bank only. You have no other option. Lucid is also good. Tradify is also good. Both are okay. Go with anyone you want. But my code is with Lucid. Both are same. I'm not gonna say it. One is better than other. Both are top of the line right now. कोई हैक नहीं, मुझे कोई हैक ही नहीं पता. मैं तो डायरेक्ट अकाउंट ही ले लेता हूँ. लूसिड का भी डायरेक्ट बैंक में आता है थ्रू द वर्क मार्केट. यस. आपको क्या इश्यू है डायरेक्ट बैंक में लेने से? I used to trade MFP, I think 16-17 months ago. They banned me. कल रात को करवा के आ गया भाई, ये क्या नाइस, कुछ नाइस नहीं है यार। इरिटेट हो रहा था मैं तो कटवा लिया। कुछ स्टोरी नहीं है, रिंज एंड रिपीट वाली साइकिल होती है। आई डोंट नो, दे डिड नॉट लाइक इट आई गेस। आपका हो चुका है आशु क्रिएशन। आर यू रेडी टू टेक पे आउट? तुमने पैसा बना लिया है अकाउंट में? अगर बना लिया है तो डिस्काउंट में पूछ लो, वो आंसर दे देंगे वंस। अगर नहीं बनाए पैसा तो पहले पैसा बनाओ अकाउंट में एंड देन विथड्रॉ इट। एनी बैंक वर्क्स, एनी एक्सिस, ICICI, एनी बैंक। आई हैव सीन पीपल टेकिंग पे आउट्स इन, भाई लोकल से लोकल बैंक में भी चल जाता है। They have been around since last 10 years. SHX. Now you tell me, are they sustainable or not? There are more people who fails than take payout. So of course, trading models are gonna be always sustainable. Prop firms. Agar if they do things right, if they do fuck ups here and there, if they become too greedy, तो फिर नहीं हो सकता. Just like funding ticks came out with crazy discounts and that got them because they wanted customer base. And now I think, in my opinion, their CEO has left it to die. They are making so many changes that they cannot shut it down easily, right? They cannot shut it down straightforward because they have bigger firm funding base that will get affected. So it has been left to die. So they're gonna make changes, people gonna stop buying account, so slowly and steadily it's gonna die. That's what my personal opinion is. Anything can be, I don't know, I can be totally wrong about it, but my personal opinion is right there. True that, Tarun bhai, true that. No, they're gonna pay you out whoever is already trading with them, but it's like they're making changes so new people don't buy it and they don't have to give payout to everybody. I mean, the more people come in, the more, have you seen future trader? They run up accounts like crazy. 100,000, $200,000 in a span of months. And it is very hard to compete with most of the firms right now. Tradify, Lucid, Top Step, Apex, Take Profit Trader, TPT. Those are crazy firms. MFFU. It's very hard to compete with them. They already have customer base, right? So firms who are coming for quick cash grab from forex side to future side, I trust them less. Of course, I used to trade with them. I used to vouch for them. But since the first day they started changing account rules from, for people who already purchased account from the old rules, that's when I lost it. No, I have switched to one gem one minimum or above. Volatility is coming through. I think it's gonna break it to the downside and then go upside. That's what I'm saying, right? Samir, I don't know what to tell you about that. And it's again, he can do whatever he is millionaire, right? We are nobody, right? We are totally nobody to talk about them or whatever. But I can just only give my own opinion about them. No, just like positive right now, better than negative. Just personal preference, nothing else. Everybody, most of my students are still trading negative RR. Nothing against that, and I'm still. I can switch back to negative RR whenever I want, when I feel like it. FTX. Masum is old guy, I think, in this industry. That was crazy what they pulled back on the FTX. Yeah, MFFU are good firm. They're gonna pay you off. Don't worry about that. I don't know about their plans because I don't trade with them, but they are good firm. आने के बाद कभी प्रूफ्स नहीं मांगेंगे बैंक्स, आने के पहले मांगेंगे। आने के पहले अगर मांगे तो फ्यूचर आई मीन जब तुम एक्सप्रेस अकाउंट जब साइन करने गए थे ना, तब वो पूरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिखाता है जहाँ पे तुम्हें नाम लिखना था, साइन करना था। सो वो तुम्हें दिखाना पड़ेगा, वो दे देंगे। टेल देम दैट यू आर वर्किंग फॉर दिस फॉर्म, do not mention trading or whatever. It can flip them. Just tell them you are working with them, they are paying out for your work under contract, you're gonna release it. मैं तो भाई टेंशन क्यों ले रहे हो सारे, वही बता रहा हूँ ना। डू नॉट worry about how, because everybody is getting payout. You see everybody is around getting payout, so you will find your way as well to trade. First focus on trading, get to the payout level and then talk about it. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि तुम सबका आ रहा है तुम्हारा नहीं आएगा। And make sure you are purchasing accounts with future industry. I would suggest the best right now is Lucid. Let me just add in cheap plugin so I can give away more account. Make sure to use code GCT. So I can give away more and more accounts. Yes, if you make $3,000 you can take payout. Once you reach $3,000, 50k Lucid में you can take payout. I think payout is $2,000. $1,000 will be. Let's go W Nirjal, thank you for support. Either it's gonna pump to the downside. I think it's waiting for that volume to kick in. It is just waiting that somebody gets in and it fakes them somehow. Upside downside, anything can happen. Get ready for that. ट्रेडिंग करने से आता है। No, I don't trade with the same risk. I cut my risk to 40% or 50% of what I used to risk. If you're genuinely asking question, Amir, go into Discord. Link should be the downside, and then every info will be there. If you're trolling, then yeah, trading करने से आता है। अरे ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातें, you don't look at that small details. Like when market is moving like this, of course it can get tapped, but what is bigger picture scenario? So for me it is like this high feel it. Chandris, क्या whatever whoever asking about top step वाला चीज, I answered your question. Just go back and watch it. हाँ, नॉर्मल ट्रेडिंग जैसा ही है, nothing else. It is way much simpler here. Simple buy and sell. I risked about $700 on eval Kush. I trade in Asian session only on my live account, which I have so much drawdown, so I can hold it. Yeah. No, I do not live in Gurgaon. Buy either pop the cherry or drop. Do something. How don't you know that what gets you the payout? It's chopping around my entry, guys. It's chopping around just above my entry. Yes, I mean I can ask them to carry forward, but I don't do it because I don't know that trading style. Asian session मत ही trade करो. You're gonna get wrecked at one point. Focus on New York session first, master that, and then later on master other sessions. Main session focus on New York session. ये जो स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा है गंदा था, मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा गाइस, सच बता रहा हूँ. 10 मिनट बाकी है, इस 15 मिनट के अंदर में वॉल्यूम 9 बजे आ सकता है, देखते हैं. आई मीन न्यूयॉर्क सेशन 9 o'clock, अपने 7:30. Yeah, risking $400 to $500 is okay. Just make it 400 so you have 5 full chances before you blow the account. Make it $400. You have 5 trades before you blow the account on 50K account, and you are good to go. I want to see how we close this 15 minute in 8 minutes. If we close strong, then probabilities are there. Do we have anything special? 1 hour also closing in 8 minutes. So if we close positive, that would be nice. I think you will be. I think in. I don't know if that's true or not, but Lucid does not have monthly fees. But if there is, check it out. If you go in the billing section, it will tell you that there is a monthly fees or not. Volume is very low, guys. My volume is very low or not? Tell me, guys. I think for me, it is showing that it's properly. Thank you, Nirijan. Oh yeah, then it's a way better. If you but Nijal, you are finding those trades, right, where you risk $250 to make $500. Which is lots of people don't get those trades. Okay, Lucid has no monthly fees, so all good, guys. See, we got the pop. Now we want to hold it. Can we hold it? Can we close above this whole, taking out this liquidity above that? Market में volume low है just because it is waiting for New York session open. It's gonna pop. We'll see, or drop. Anything can happen. I'm not telling you to gamble, guys. Lucid Flex, I don't think so. Lucid Flex has any buffer rule. Thank you, Wixler, for make confirming. My only question is, do we close this strong, guys? Do we close this 15-minute claw? I mean, strong, as we have been like little pullback, closing, little pullback, closing, little pullback, closing, little pullback, closing. Right? ESP try कर ही रहा है. My TP is around 790 area. अगर हम वहाँ जाते हैं then it's gonna be great. But yeah, अगर नहीं जाते तो it's all good. It's market. It doesn't go in our favor all the time, right? Right? So मेरा ट्रेड चलो मैं रख ही देता हूँ. Why don't you trade gold? Because I don't know gold. Gold, I have very little experience with. I'm trying to learn how gold move through my strategy and everything. But I think after 1 year, I'm gonna start trading it actively. For 1 year, I'm gonna give it time, learn how it moves. Because everything has a, see, every instrument moves in certain ways, which I need to know. Yeah. And NQ, I think I'm adding up to experience. See what I can do. NQ is playing out good. Yes, of course, I need to add some instrument in my arsenal, but वो slowly करेंगे. इतना कुछ जल्दी नहीं है मेरे को. Leo, how do you handle losing streak? I see, again, nobody handles losing streak. हम सीख जाते हैं कि trading is, I think losing streak is gonna be part of. See, I'm expecting a losing streak now because I've been on a run, great run in December. So I'm waiting for losing streak. That's how it works out, right? I know that there will be losing streak coming, so I'm already preparing for that, right? But I'm not gonna slow down just because of I know that losing streak REA. I should slow down to lose less. No, I'm gonna continue trading. It's part of my trading cycle, and I know that I come out profitable every time. That's how it. मुझे भी बंद करना पड़ेगा. मुझे भी किसी से गाली खानी पड़ेगी निर्जल भाई. Okay, we are trying to push up. See what we can do. Nothing. I just normally keep trading. Losing streak में मैं ये याद रखूंगा कि there is winning streak coming up. Try to not over risk it. Go on a tilt blow account. जितना दिन का मैं देता था उतना ही दिन का देके बंद कर दो. जैसे let's say if you are trading with one contract and giving one trade a try every day on in your winning streak, just एक ट्रेड दो फिर बंद कर दो. ऐसा नहीं कि 2-3 ट्रेड लूज कर दिए तो. ट्रीट इट एज नॉर्मल. अगेन मैंने वही बोला ना था, मैं रिस्क, I will not decrease my risk because of I know that winning streak can be anything around that. How would I know that there is gonna be losing and this is losing streak or winning streak, right? दो ट्रेड हार गए उसका मीनिंग लूजिंग स्ट्रीक नहीं होती ना. There can be a third winning trade coming up. So I just keep the position size consistent, and I know my winning streak are way bigger than losing streaks, so I'm okay with having losing streaks. Just make sure you're not putting more contracts when you're losing and putting less contract when you're winning. Keep consistency over everything. Okay, now I want to see how we close in this 15 minute in 2 minutes. If we close strong, possibilities are that this high goes, possibilities are there that this high goes as well, 64, and we visit the body of this 777. Yes, Nizal has been my student. तुम्हें डेटा कलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दैट तुम्हारी लूजिंग स्ट्रीक कितनी बड़ी है, तुम क्या करते हो, खुद रिव्यू करो, एंड हाउ इज योर विनिंग स्ट्रीक्स, व्हाट यू डू मिस्टेक्स ऑन, सो दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. ना आई थिंक दिस इज सप्रेसिंग. Interesting. Sandwich. No wrong. I hope you learned something. I'm really gonna think about break even when it goes to this high or this, right? If we go up there, if we don't, then see how we are chopping around. It is market is not letting 10 second. Is it gonna close? Look, it was green in last 2 minutes. It squeezed. So that tells you something, right? That it is not gonna go up that easily. Yes, that's what I do, SHX. That's exactly what I try to do because that's why I like non-consistent accounts, right? जहाँ पे मुझे पहले 2-3 दिन थोड़ी फ्रीडम मिलती है, आई गेट द फ्रीडम टू पुश देम, एंड वंस आई गेट 2-3 good days, I'm gonna chillax, flip them, take payout and repeat the cycle. Market is building liquidity to both sides. Before we open, before volume gets here, it is building liquidity to the top side and the bottom side both, right? Either it can this and that. समझ रहे हो, सब कुछ प्लान्ड आउट है इसका. यस, कंसोलिडेशन होता है तो फिर वही चीज़ है कि इट्स गोना टेक सम हाइस आउट और लोज आउट. People are who in short and longs, they both gonna get wrecked if they have like very short SL placed, right? So it's way better to not engage in this market if you are not in it already. Just wait it out for market to take out some highs and lows, which I have talked about. These high, go into the bigger high time frame FPGs, play it out, or maybe rebalance this whole thing and then come back up. Wait it out. Way better to wait it out than take a win which is like risky, or take a loss जो मीन नहीं था. Did you write now? Let me check. मैं रूल्स ऐसे भी समझा दूंगा, ऐसा जरूरत नहीं है. Nope, you did not. Telling a lie. Okay, but मैं तुम्हें समझा देता हूँ कि consistency is 20% in 100. So I think 150K के डायरेक्ट अकाउंट्स में $9,000 बनाने होते हैं, and you get $4,500 DD drawdown. So 20% consistency, 9,000 के 20% कर दो, you can make it in one day that much. If you make more, your target will be increased, and once you do that, once you meet all the criteria, they're gonna give you, you can take $3,000 payout, $6,000 stays in your account for buffer, and you can repeat the cycle every 5 days. So those are the rules. Pretty simple. साहिल की हिंदी तो बढ़िया है, उसमें क्या इश्यू है? साहिल तो दिल्ली से ही है, बढ़िया हिंदी है. मेरी हिंदी फनी लग सकती है आपको. मैंने तो कभी पर्पस कोड किसी ने मांगा ही नहीं मेरे से, पता नहीं आपका कौन मांग रहा है. गुजरात JUJ. This is the link, and if anybody wants to sign up for Lucid Trading, go sign up. Best discount right now. Wow, it popped up, now it's coming back down because 15 minute did not close strong, and it's chopping very heavily right now, even more. On 1 minute, look at this chop. It is just waiting for that liquidity to come in and do something. Yes, I do go on tilt. Nobody is there out that does not go on a tilt. Everybody goes on tilt once in a while. I have ICICI Bank. नॉर्मल वाला, वो भी. डोंट थिंक कि मैंने बहुत अपग्रेडेड वाला लेके रखा है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. नो, नॉर्मल वाला ही है. And pop will be to the downside. It couldn't go up. Now we're gonna chop around for a while, you will see. Saving, they don't allow you to open current accounts, you know that, right? Opening current account is not that easy now. Wow, we popped to the downside and now to the upside. Wow, crazy. That's good for me. Yes, I'm gonna hold trade. I have a lot. See, I already made money in short trade, right? I can hold it, I can give back that much. to make more. That's what I think about them. If I have a buffer, I'm gonna stretch it as much as I can on the good setups, of course. Discounted price is 85 or $86 on 50k flex account. Now we come back down. What the fuck is market is doing? It doesn't want to go anywhere. You never know. No? easy healthy tips. I'm gonna say you never, until unless you experience. I think it's very hard to tell. Even for sometimes I get very hard time to just find out that it's gonna consider it or not. Last week I got chopped every trade, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So वही चीज़ है. For a while they will. After 2-3 months, most of the firms unbans you. But it went back up, come back down, went up, back up. They pay you through work market directly deposit money in your bank account. Can I watch ICT no rent videos? I don't think so. There are videos like that. He's gonna talk about some shit here and there. Chopping too much, yes. While it's chopping, guys, while we wait for open, make sure to press like button. इतनी थोड़ी वो हो जाती तो बढ़िया रहती, मेहरबानी आपकी. If we don't get time to do giveaway today, I'll definitely do it tomorrow. So yeah, do not worry, giveaway will be done and 2 accounts will be given away to, I mean, every day, or not every day, this week, every week. That's what I meant. Okay, I'm gonna try to give back as much as possible. Only 23 likes, guys. 65 of you are watching. How many days it will take to pay out? If it's your first time, it's gonna take 4 to 5 days, and then थोड़ा process fast हो जाएगा. But do not worry about Lucid paying you out. They're gonna pay you out. Sir, by maybe even if I come out with my series, I think best to watch is ICTs. I know he rants too much, whatever, but he's gonna give you sauce in between those rants that you will never find anywhere. Okay, वो कट करके then कट करके अगर किसी ने डाला है तो भाई crazy. And I don't know why, how and why his videos are up there. भाई ये क्या है? What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Kyle bhai videos are good. Looks like we want to go down. Yes, he's holding. Oh, ho, ho, ho. बारकोड है भाई, स्कैन कर लो कोई. Anybody wants to scan it? Barcode price action. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I'm gonna try to come live every day, and I'm also thinking of coming live in my New York AM session where I'm gonna trade live. But for now, एक वीक तक नहीं आऊँगा, उसके बाद में आ जाऊंगा. You are recruit. Thank you, Ankis. My DOL for now is like high time. So let me show you guys. My DOL is this, guys. This. My DOL is this FPG 800 skin लो 800 level. वो बहुत नज़दीक है, I know, but that's all I know. Anything more than that, yeah. Hopefully you take payout soon and then join for more knowledge. Of course, you don't need to, but yes, happy that you are learning from here as well. Not complaining. Eight K 9K people are from Sahil's Instagram, right? Most of them wants to watch Sahil, so these are not. I mean, I'm not even close to what Sahil is in the influence industry right now, because in last 2 years I have focused more on trading, and I want to focus now on the content side little bit, where I can spread the words and good knowledge for free, and of course for my mentorship as well, right? So everybody gets win-win. ट्वेंटी 26 का I have already gotten 4 payouts. अभी अपडेट नहीं किया है मैंने. Somewhere close to $5,000-6,000, and you're gonna see this goes up very heavily by next week. अपडेट करना भूल गया भाई, मैं वीकेंड थोड़ा बिजी था, माय बैड. All of them are from PDS live account. I'm lagging behind, भाई. $5,000 is nothing in compare of. I mean, it is good, I'm grateful for that, but again, potential versus result, वो वाली चीज़ हो जाती है. I'm building few of my accounts so I can take payouts, so that's what I'm working on. That Lucid payout hopefully comes through this week and then I'm gonna update it. Once Lucid payout आ जाएगा मैं ऐड कर लूँगा. Isn't it disadvantage? It is disadvantage, but what you gonna do once firm moves you to live, right? And they are not allowing you to take payout, so you have only one option to trade live. And now I'm liking it, to be honest. I'm liking it. Right now I'm liking it. I'm not pro, guys. Do not think I am pro at all. I have a little bit more experience than you guys. That's the only difference. In eval, I think if you're very new, if you don't know that you are profitable or not, maybe $450 to $500. If you know your system works and everything, $700 on eval. Thank you for the subscription. By the way, somebody just subscribed. Alright guys, I think that's it. I will try to come live NYM session after 2 3 4 days. Okay. After my members are okay with me coming live, I'm gonna come live. And yeah, until then, thank you guys for joining. नहीं, एक पे आउट के बाद नहीं, once you reach that threshold, like most of the firms gonna give move you to live after 50 60 70 $80,000 once you start making consistent money. Okay, don't worry about that. All right guys, that's it from me today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Hopefully you guys join tomorrow as well, same time. I'm gonna come live 6:30 ist, somewhere around that. So yes, no, I did not. I'm still in it. Do not worry. I'm still in the position from 729. Do you want to show? See, 729. Okay, I'm still in it. Don't worry about that. I will see you guys. Thank you for joining. W stream, by the way. I'll see you guys. Take care. Make sure you do not blow the account in your session. Follow your rules. Everything. Even if you take loss, it's fine. You can come back tomorrow. Just give yourself 1 or 2 try. That's all. Do not blow your accounts. Always trade for tomorrow.